Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be creating a fun math game. So let me show you how the project is gonna look when it's finished. So click the green flag. It asks what is 39 plus 34. So it's, let me calculate, 73, and if we enter the correct answer it shows us correct, but let me enter something like this. It is the wrong answer, of course, so it says try again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I've got some backdrops over here, and of course a lot of code. So let's get started with this. I have a nice math fun game here. Bye, cat. Okay, so I'll paint. The first thing we need to, no, we don't need to paint. We just need backdrops. Okay, let me see. Backdrops. Boom. Now what we need to do is we'll go to this backdrops and see what do we have in here. Backdrops. 39 plus 34, question number 1. So you guys can make the question whatever you want, but make sure you keep the answer in the code correct, okay? What is 39 plus 34? So I'm going to select text. You can select whatever text you want. I like this handwriting one, so I'm selecting that. What is 39 plus 34? Now, of course, make the size a little bit bigger. I think that's it. Add a little question mark right there. There you go. Boom. We have our first question. I'm gonna name it question 1. Okay. Now we duplicate this, but we change the question. For example, what is 73 plus 54? Yeah. So it automatically gets named question 2. So that's pretty cool. I know, right? Okay, now we have um, uh, 5 questions here. The 6th one is level 1 done, level 1 completed, level 2 under construction. Because like we are not gonna do that backdrop. So let's again duplicate this. Boom, there you go. Change the question to like a little bit easy. 13 plus what should I do? Let's take 34. Okay, duplicate. What is maybe 39 plus 62? Yeah, that's it. And the last one, the last question will be 100 plus 100. We need a little bit more space for this. Okay, so we are done with the questions backdrop. Now we need to make the try again and the correct backdrop. So let's make it. Should I duplicate this? No. Yeah, let's duplicate it. It'll be easier. Okay, let me write correct. Boom, give it its position. Let me just add it to the middle. Boom, then middle. Okay, there you go, that's fine. Now I'm going to duplicate this. Duplicate. Right. Try again. Alright, yeah. Now we have all the backdrops that we need. And now we come to the actual code. So it's like when the green flag is clicked, switch the backdrop to question 1. So I'm going to write that over here. Like guys, I am giving a disclaimer. This video is going to be like 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, You know what I mean, right? Okay, when switch the backdrop to question 1. There you go. And if the backdrop number is equal to 1, then ask what is the question and wait. Okay. Let me go to control. If the backdrop number, the equal to sign, pick it up from here. This backdrop number, there you go, is equal to 1, then go to sensing, ask what was our first question? 39 plus 34 and wait. Okay, our first question was 39 plus 34. So the first part is coded. Now we are going to write if the backdrop number is 1 and the answer is 73, then switch the backdrop to correct. Okay, let me write that. Again, we're gonna use if then. Let's take and backdrop. Okay, that was a mistake. Put it right here. Alright, now we're gonna get backdrop number is equal to 1, and what was this? Answer is equal to 73. So is equal to boom 73. Go to sensing, boom, get answer, and there you go. We have this much of code. I'm going to put the code at the right place so you guys can see. Okay, now we need to write switch backdrop to correct. I'm going to write switch backdrop to wait. Oh, I've named it question. Try again and 1. Okay. Let me name this correct and wrong. Okay. Switch backdrop to correct, and then we're gonna wait 2 seconds, not 1, 2, because it needs to wait. It'll show what you got, what answer you answered. Now switch backdrop to the question 2. So here's how it's working right now. It asks for this 39 plus 34, which is 73, correct, and it automatically switches to the next backdrop. We have not coded for the next backdrop. What if you get the answer wrong? Okay, why is it doing nothing? Oh, we have not coded for the wrong, so we'll have to code that. If let me just duplicate it if you don't want to write it, but answer equals. Okay, I'll have to get an if else. If else, I'll have to pick this up. Boom, boom, boom. Get the if then erased, and there you go. Else, what we're gonna do is switch the backdrop to try again, wait 2 seconds, and then switch the backdrop to question 2. So basically it's almost the same as this code. Okay, why did it started running? Switch backdrop to wrong. Now let's see what it does if we write the answer wrong. Try again. Alright, we are done with this, and you know what guys, this video is going to be like so long, super duper long, so I'm erasing like 2 questions. Alright. No, I'm only going to have 2 questions, alright? So that the video doesn't get too long. I need to get this if else, duplicate it, and then get this duplicated, if backdrop number, the thing, get this out of here. Okay, I'll have to zoom out for a sec, guys. If backdrop number is equal to this, then do this. Okay, I'm zooming in again. So now we say if backdrop number is equal to 2 and change it to 2 everywhere. Alright, it's changed. And the question is currently 73 plus 54. So I'm going to write, what is 73 plus 54 question mark and wait. So it's saying if backdrop number is equal to 2 and answer is equal to, okay, alright, never mind, I changed it at the wrong place. What is 73 plus 54? Alright, now we are saying if backdrop number is equal to 2 and the answer is not equal to 73, I mean the correct answer is not 73 this time. Let's see the answer. It's 127. Let me Google it. 73 plus 54. Boom. Yeah, it's 127. So switch backdrop to correct. Wait 2 seconds. And then we don't have any question. So create the third question and more questions if you want, and put that over here. Alright, guys. Now, okay, this is done. Let us check how it works. Boom. Boom. 39 plus 34 is 73. There you go. Correct. And this time let me do it wrong. Boom. Try again. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye for now.